everyone, welcome back to Salila Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Histories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-e.tv scandal guys. Sisakhuluma ngaso kwi-storyline ngesikalihle kanye ke noLibona. Assume guys ukuthi ke uLibona is arrested njengoba kuthiwa ke usesibhedlela ke nje, and ke guys ulihle ke she have to deal with her parents ukuthi ke akachaze ukuthi kahle hle la mangangaka ke usewathathaphi. Ngiyazi ke guys ukuthi ulihle mncane and ke bekade luthwa ke ile ndoda kade ke imenza ke islim. So namhlanje ke abazali bakhe uNhloso kanye ke noMadlomo bazohlala naye phansi ke ubaba khabuza ukuthi welihle awungitsheli kahle uqale noba namanga wena, like uyayibona ingozi ocishe wangena kuyona. And ke guys ulihle nje lokhu ke uyakhala ke ama-comment lako abantu ke they are like kufanele bamshaye ulihle, kumele bamshaye impela ngoba phela uyingane engezwa, akafundiswanga ngendlela ke asenza ke ngayo, kufanele ashawe nje. Omunye ublame ke abazali bakhe, i-separation yabazali ukuthi iyona ke emlidele ke lezinto ke akade ke ezenza. Let's check guys ama-comment abantu ukuthi ke athini. Uthenjiwe wathi Nhloso and Madlomo have to be blamed for this. They have put their differences, if they have put their differences aside, this could not have happened. The fact yomntwana sele to home, it made it easier for her to lie kubo bonke. But if they have a good communication between them, despite the fact that they have separated, Lihle could have been protected. So all co-parenting parents, this episode was meant for you. If you lack communication, yeah guys, lona ke bekakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi ke if kuukuthi bekade be right nge-relationship yabo abazali ulihle bengekuze kube lula ukuthi ke aqambe ke amanga. But ke njengoba bengakhulumisani or i-relationship yabingekho right ke it was easy for ulihle to lie. So I think I agree with her guys, because ulihle bezothi methi ngiya kube ukuthi uMadlomo uyazi ukuthi yebo uze Soweto. Wase ethi omunye, so uthi the parents are always the reason kids do foolish thing. Not seeing what is right and wrong is a parent's fault. Not seeing that indoda is old enough to be your father and kiss him is a parent's fault. It might sound like didn't hear what you said, but the truth is these kids are so flipping wrapped up on their own world. No matter how good you both can try to do best as parents, they would disappoint you. So guys, abantu the storyline basasa serious kakhulu, like in mandla obaba atsarisha khona uyabona ukuthi this is very personal. I agree also. You're busy divorcing, get your child some therapy session. It's their family that gets torn apart. They are part of this divorce too, and it affects them. Some comment guys, they were going like that also. Please don't talk to Dr. Gasa like that. She kissed him first. Abakweba, but there is Ndutugo Drunken Master Gasta. So yeah guys, I don't know what to get when opinion ithini ngale storyline. Maybe I'm shouting for lento enzile. Do you think ukuthi lezi it because of the parent separation, or she was just being a child nje ulihle guys in the storyline? But again, it's so sad guys, this storyline. Hey, abantu bakwate ngampela. But again, I think it's a lesson learned to everyone ukuthi mangabe ni-co-parent, you have to have a good communication so that umntwana will be protected. I can take that nami ukuthi if kade bekhuluma be-right bengeke kube lula for Lihle to lie ukuthi uya ngapha ekubeni ke eya ngala. So yeah naye, but at the same time guys ngiyamblame kakhulu because bese namanga ulihle ese-arrogant edela ngisho ubhotsozo bezama ukumsiza. So nje I also blame her guys, I also blame her in this whole situation. But we're glad ukuthi nothing happened from her side. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.